beautiful Treasure Island, the sand capital of Florida, which boasts white sandy beaches and blue-green waters. We are here at the Ovations sand sculpture exhibition, where people come from all over the world to create a sand masterpiece and compete for the Masters Cup. Now, this event not only has beautiful sand sculptures for you to enjoy, but also has vendors, food courts, beer gardens, live music, kite flying, and fireworks. For more information, go to their website at SandingOvationsMastersCup.com. Now, this event occurs every year the weekend before Thanksgiving. So if you've missed out, don't worry. They've decided to extend it out for another weekend for you to enjoy. So let's go check it out.
Folks, we have a lot of people here today. Be kind to others as always, and I'd like to welcome everybody that is from out of state, out of town, out of country, to our fair. What's that? Enjoy your day.
Thank you for coming with me on this event. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for coming with me and joining me. Stop. What do I say? Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you for just coming.
Thank you.
No, seriously, I swear. Oh my God, I'm just, yes.
Thank you for coming with me on this event. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Sunny in Florida. Bye-bye.